Helo a chroeso i'r podlediad. Hello and welcome to the podcast. Dynion o Cymru wedi ei harestio fel rhan o ymchwiliad I droseddau, rhyw yn erbyn plant. Men from South Wales have been arrested as part of an investigation into sex crimes against children. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant pedwar deg tri. Series 4 and episode number 343. Hello everybody, how are you doing? Heddiw yw dydd Mercher. Today is Wednesday, 15fed o Orffennaf 2026, the 15th of July 2026, ac mae hi'n 1 munud ar 28 o'r hwyr. And it's ac mae hi'n 1 funud ar 28 o'r hwyr. In the south, because a minute goes to funud after 1. It is 21 minutes past 8 p.m. Today's episode is called No Star Mum, Goodnight Mum. It's a song by the guest artist, but the artist that we're covering today, Steve Eves, a musician. Got his biography here and links, videos and links and things. Some lyrics. Most of the videos have lyrics on as well. And yeah, there's some links there for Wedi Phobl, which is like a discussion show on Radio Cymru, which is with Betty George, where she's interviews people. Very close interview, nice chat. And there's 3 siblings today: Iwan Steffan, Manon Steffan Ross, and Llewan Steffan, all siblings, and the father is Steve Eves, who is the musician. And there's a link there to the news article that I mentioned as well, just now in the intro. So, biography, Steve Eves, ganwyd 1952, yn un o ffigurau pwysicaf y gerddoriaeth a'r barddoniaeth Gymraeg gyfoes. Steve Eves, born 1952, is a towering figure in contemporary Welsh music and poetry. Bardd, canwr, gitarydd a chyfansodwr sydd wedi bod yn creu ers dros hanner canrif. A poet, singer and guitarist and songwriter with a career spanning over 5 decades. Yn enedigol o Stoke-on-Trent, ond wedi treulio'r rhan fwyaf o'i oes yn ardal Bangor a Rhywlas. Born in Stoke-on-Trent, but long residence in Bangor and Rhywlas area of Gwynedd. Mae ei waith yn cyfuno dylanwadau blues, dwys a barddoniaeth bersonol a gwleidyddol. His work fuses deep blues influences with personal and political lyricism. Gan fynd i'r afael a themau fel hunaniaeth Gymraeg, colled, tir a gwleidyddiaeth. Exploring Welsh identity, loss, landscape and activism. Gyda'i fand rhai pobl a ddechreuodd fel Steve Eves a'i driawd, mae wedi rhyddhau degau o albymau ers yr 80au cynnar. With his band, rhai pobl, some people, evolving from his early trio, Steve Eves and his trio, he has released numerous albums since the early 80s. Gan gynnwys clasuron fel cyfalaf a chyfadawd, including classics like cyfalaf a chyfadawd. And chroeso a'r album emotional Moel y Ci and the deep chroeso and the deeply moving moilaki. Written in sorry, I haven't read that bit. Ysbrydolwyd gan golli ei wraig Sian. Written in response to the death of his wife Sian. Daeth I amlygrwydd fel bardd gyda'r cyfrolau noethni. He first gained prominence as a poet with the collections noethni, which means nakedness, bare, kind of thing, nudity. A jazz and a nos, jazz in the night. Sy'n rhan o droseddau o beirdd answyddogol. Sorry about this. And Jazz in the Night, part of the influential Unofficial Poets series. Mae ei gerddoriaeth yn adlewyrchu dylanwadau jazz. His music blends blues. It says influences there as well. So I have translated it as that. Okay. Mae ei gerddoriaeth yn adlewyrchu dylanwadau jazz gwerin a rock wrth aros yn ffyddlon I sain blues, amrwd, a llais cynnes garw. His music blends blues, jazz, folk and rock while maintaining a raw, authentic edge and warm, characterful voice. Enillodd wobr cyfraniad arbennig BBC Radio Cymru am ei gyfraniad oes ei gerddoriaeth Cymraeg. Yn 2011 ac mae wedi cydweithio a rhai o enwau mwyaf y sîn gan gynnwys y prif ardd diweddar Iwan Llwyd, contribution to Welsh music. Poet kind of thing. It's not druid. It's a different word for that. That's archlerwydd. Okay, I'm stopping reading there. I went on a bit and it went a bit wrong. I'm really hot. I'm struggling. There's more to read on there, the full bio. That's as much as I'm going to do because I'm going to jump onto some other bits. We've got the news items. If I can just scroll to it. The song No Star, the way it is, I had been hearing some songs on Radio Cymru by Steve Reeves. He's really good. I started to think of him as, he's the guy who's like the Welsh version of Chris Rhea or something. Very bluesy, nice, deep voice. So I then hear about other people, and then I start to realise Manon Steffan Ross is his daughter. And then there's a poem in the chapel I go to that Manon Steffan Ross wrote to one of the congregations. So I read that. That was nice link and stuff. And then I heard this guy on Betty I Phobl, this one, Steffan, and he came across really well, and I didn't know who he was and stuff. And then I heard about, he picks the No Star Mum song, which is his dad's song. I didn't know if they were related. And and then I read the story about the mum and stuff. His wife died in 2003. And one of his best albums I'd heard songs for are all off this 2007 album, Moila Key, which is a lot about the period after his wife died. So anyway, I'm doing that today, and then it's brought up things for me about my stepdad who died 3 weeks ago, and I've been up on the mountain today, and I'm looking at a place where I've got to scatter his ashes up there, where there's a poet, I.D. Hewson from Rose, Llanacreog is up there, his memorial, and that's where my stepdad wanted his ashes, as well as half of it on the beach in Ceredigion, which is a bit further away. But this other one involves a walk up there now, just going up there this morning, my stepfather. And I need to do something for his funeral as well, write a piece. I've looked through Ida Houston's work and there's nothing suitable that I want. So might be writing a piece. But today, because I was listening to There's No Star Mum again and, reading more about, the family and stuff, it's just brought up my stepdad and I decided to write a song for him today. It's a bit cheesy, but it's coming up. Anyway, the news today is cwest y fforddwr rygbi uchel ei barch o Iwerddon wedi marw ger beidd galert yng Ngwynedd. Inquest, a highly respected rugby coach from Ireland, has died near Beidd Gelert in Gwynedd. Bethel, mam I pedwar yn chwilio am gartref newydd ar ôl colli bron popeth mewn tân. Bethel, a mother of 4 looking for a new home after losing almost everything in a fire. Cwest beiciwr modur a fyw farw wedi gwrthdrawiad Môn yn gweithio I heddlu'r gogledd. Inquest, a motorcyclist who died after a collision in Anglesey working for North Wales Police. Rhin ap Iorwerth yn siomedig ar ôl colli pleidlais dyngedfennol ar ei cynlluniau gwariant. Rhin ap Iorwerth yn siomedig ar ôl colli pleidlais dyngedfennol ar ei cynlluniau gwariant. Rhin ap Iorwerth is disappointed after losing a crucial vote on the spending plans. Tanau gwyllt, galw ar drigolion Llanbedr ger Harlech I gadw ffenestri ar gau. Wildfires calling on residents of Llanbedr near Harlech to keep windows closed. Yeah, be careful, have a look, because there's lots of wildfires and the smoke can be dangerous. So just check with your local doodah. The song lyrics for the what I've written for my stepdad today, they're not Shakespeare, and they're certainly not Steve Eves' level either, but they're my level where I'm at now. So I hope I've not offended anybody with my biography or anything I've translated or said on this. I shouldn't have done. Hwyl fawr, Ted. Goodbye, Ted. Byddwn yn dy gofio di. We will remember you. Diolch. I'll do it in Welsh first, actually, in English. Hwyl fawr, Ted. Byddwn yn dy gofio di. Diolch, Ted, ach rydym yn dy garu di. Roedd y ti'n ddyn doniol. Mewn ffordd ddoniol, roedd y ti bob amser yn dweud ei fod yn ddiwrnod doniol. Goodbye, Ted. We will remember you. Thank you, Ted. And we love you. You were a funny man in a funny way. You were always saying it was a funny day. Because he always said it was a funny day and he was funny and he was funny in a funny way. So it was a bit eccentric and strange. Crackers, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, he's not with us now. And he looked after me as my dad and he looked after my mum. And a few other people as well. He was a caretaker of a school in the 80s in Llangollen. And he wore this woolen beanie hat. So they called him Benny. Because the character on Crossroads, Benny had a hat like that at the time. So that's why he was called. And a lot of people liked him because he was a bit mad. Anyway, he's gone. And I've got a funeral coming up soon. And I've got to write something. And I've just done this song. So it's a very rough mix. I just did it into my phone. Just with the guitar. I've not had time for anything else. I'm a bit hot. So I'm going to this is it.
Hwfate byddwn dy gofio di diolch te ar ydyn dy gofio di oedd y ti'n fi'n donio am y ffordd donio oedd y ti bob amser dweud I fod yn ddiwrnod donio Goodbye Ted, we'll remember you. Thank you Ted, and we love you. You were a funny man, in a funny way, and you were always saying it was a funny day.